Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Quick and Easy Day and we have a really quick and easy one. I haven't done these in so long and I forgot about them. They are so good for like classrooms or just a really cute thing to put on one of your coworkers' desks, anything like that. I am using the Halloween Spells Designer Series paper and the stickers that go with them. Y'all, you can get these together. And this is such a quick and easy way to create a little treat holder. And this is what I'm sharing today. I just put this together super quick. It has a lollipop in it, which we're gonna put in there. But I just use the stickers on here, put a bow on it, and you are ready to go. You can cut apart all of these pieces on this sticker. I'm going to actually use this one, I think, this time. And I don't know, I may use something else from here. But, oh, I think I might use those spiders. But you can use a bunch of stuff from here. You can cut this down, use that. These little pieces you can use. You can even separate the Hello October. You can separate the Halloween and fun. There's so many things you can do, and there's a lot of little sentiments here you can cut apart. There's a lot, and it makes it super quick and easy. And I love the Designer Series paper. It's really, really, really cute. So I have a Tootsie Pop in here, but you can use the Blow Pops. Anything like that will fit in here. Just don't use the little ones because this is a little bit too big for that. All right, so we are going to just use a piece of, this time I'm going to change it up. So I'm going to use the pumpkin pie, and then that's 7 by 2, and this is 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. I'm going to mat the front, and then we're going to just decorate it. All right, so let's score this. And you're just going to score on the 7.5 inch side. So it's 7.5 by 2. I think I said 7 before. 7.5 by 2. All of it will be in the inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. All right, so let's go ahead and score it. You're going to score it at 1, 3, 4, and 6.5. And that is it. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, but when you are sharpening your score marks, fold it against your score mark. So this is the side I scored, so I'm folding it into that. All right, so we're going to put a hole right here. So I'm going to grab my hole punch. I'm just using a regular hole punch. And I just push it in as far as it's going to go and center it. Then I'm going to grab my lollipop. It's going to go in like that. This is going to fold down. And you are going to put adhesive on the bottom here. I'm just going to use some Steel Plus. And you're just going to fold this. Even your kids can help you do these. They're so easy. So put that. You can even, if you want the lollipop dot to move a little bit, you can put a glue dot right there. It doesn't seem to really be a problem, but all right, so now we are going to decorate it. Super easy. Let's use some wet glue. And I am going to use this polka dot pumpkin pie one this time. And let's grab our sticker sheet here. I'm going to grab this one right here, and I think I'm going to cut it. I think I'm going to put it, yeah, I'm going to cut this. So I'm going to cut this right up to there. I'm going to stick this on here. You can do however you want. This decorating part is just so optional, but it's so easy with these stickers. I don't know, I can add a bat. We have some little bats like I did on the other one, but I think I'm going to use the spiders. There's 2 spiders on here. Let's grab that spider. Put him here, and let's grab the little one too. There's a couple little ones. We can put that right there. I think that's all I'm going to do on that, and then grab my ribbon, which I'm using the black and very vanilla. I love this for Halloween. It's such a good ribbon for that. And we're just going to tie a bow on the top. You can knot it. You know, if you don't want to tie a bow, just put a little knotted like bow on it and then cut like here. But I like the bow on it. But you know, sometimes boys don't like the bows. So like if it's for school, you can just knot it. And then we're going to just trim that off. And it is going to look like it's not square because I made it that way. It looks like that, like it's longer in the back than in the front. But I like that because it stands really nice like that. So there you have it. Super, super quick and easy. And this is a great classroom one. So there's 2 different versions. Just cut apart these little stickers. Y'all, it's so easy. You can even get your own stickers, put them on there. There's a lot of different ideas, but look how super quick and easy it is. So I hope you enjoyed this one. It's been so long since I've made them, and I thought these are so good for classrooms. I've done them before. They're so quick and easy, and your kids can help you put the stickers on. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And please share, because all those things really help my channel. And there's also an inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com with all the measurements to all my projects. All right, have a blessed day, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.